Hello! Today we will be talking about smart homes. A smart home is a house that you can control from anywhere using your phone, providing you with luxury, security, and energy efficiency wherever you are. Let's start with the difficulties that people tend to find when trying to create their smart homes. First of all, nobody is willing to change their entire electrical implant and their interior design just to accommodate a couple of smart objects. Not to mention that these smart objects tend to cost a lot to implement and also a lot to purchase. And as soon as your internet connection cuts, they stop working because they need to communicate with a cloud system. We at Miral Technology believe that you have found the perfect alternative. Introducing the Miral 2.2S. It's a tiny module that will fit right behind your plug, behind your junction box, or behind your breaker box. Each module can control up to 2 devices at the same time, allowing you to control 2 lights, 2 plugs, a door and a light, or a light and a plug with only one module, offering you infinite possibilities of home automation using only one do-it-all module at a very affordable price. For more information, please visit www.miral-technology.com or follow us in our upcoming videos.